Hello, future warriors, and welcome to SISB Crack Exams. I'm Hemant, and I'm here back again to discuss with you about another most interesting session regarding the CDS 1 2021 examination. On 7th of February 2021, the Union Public Service Commission has conducted the combined defense services examination for the aspirants to get into the various important defense services and to get into the academies like Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy, Air Force Academy, and Officers Training Academy. And most of the aspirants have given their best regarding this examination, and I hope all the very best, and I wish that each and every one of you who has given this particular paper will get recommended very soon for SSB interviews, and you will move forward with great zeal and enthusiasm. In this session, I will be discussing about the analysis of the general knowledge paper, wherein which I will be telling about how difficult or how easy or how moderate the paper was, how many questions did it come from each and every particular subject, like how many questions from physics came, how many questions from chemistry came, how many questions from Indian polity came. So these issues I will discuss, and I will also tell you about how to prepare for the upcoming ones, and I will also tell about the complete analysis regarding the paper. Remember, here I will not go through in detail regarding each and every particular question. My whole and sole focus will be in giving a complete overall understanding, a very short, crisp understanding about how the GK paper of CDS 1 2021 was. Okay, so I hope that you people will be clearing and listening to each and every particular thing that I say, and make sure that you're noting down if you find out anything which is very, very important, right? Starting off, before beginning the analysis of the complete GK paper, first and foremost thing that I would like to remind you is regarding the marking system of the CDS 1 2021 GK paper. Remember, the total number of questions in this paper is 120, and these 120 questions will be carried for only 100 marks. That clearly mentions that every question will be less than 1 mark. That means for each and every particular correct answer, you will be awarded 0.833 marks approximately. Understanding? So it will be like 0.833 marks. It will be like very exactly 100 divided by 120. If you do this, it will be very clear that the total number of marks will be how much, sir? It will be around 0.83. So this is for every correct answer, and you will also be deducted 0.27 marks. That means what? It is a 1/3 of 0.83. 1/3 for every incorrect answer. The same thing will be kept into mind, and for every correct answer you will have to do 0.83, 0.83 you need to add that number, and for every incorrect answer you need to make sure that you're putting minus 0.27, minus 0.27, like that. Like for example, if there are x correct answers and if there are y wrong answers, then you will have to do a 0.83 into x minus of 0.27 into y. This is how you need to do it. Okay, so that is how you need to mark, and you need to find out how many marks you got. Okay, and these marks are very important. If in case you have not gone through with the cutoff marks, please go through with that important session also, wherein which you will understand how how many marks are very important for you, so that you will get shortlisted for the SSB interviews, right? So without wasting any time, let us start off with the first and foremost subject regarding the physics related questions in the complete CDS 1 2021 paper. There were only 10 questions from the physics part that were very, very important, and these 10 questions were very easy. Like the complete physics section was extremely easy, and any aspirant can solve these physics questions with very ease, and the questions from the physics part were very easy, and I hope that most of you people are very happy regarding the physics section. Going through the next section is regarding the chemistry. Even in chemistry there were 10 questions asked, and the level of the difficulty regarding chemistry part is mediocre, and if there are 10 questions from these, among these 10 questions, 6 are very easy questions and the other 4 are at the mediocre level. So I can say overall it's like between easy, mediocre, and people can happily understand the chemistry part. So those candidates who have had a very brief understanding and have also gone through in revision from SSB Crack exams regarding the chemistry part, I will assure that you people have given every answer correctly, right? So going through the next important one is regarding biology section. Even from biology there were only 10 questions. As you see, the number of division of the number of questions, it a very strategically formulated regarding CDS 1 2021 question paper. It's like 10 questions from physics, 10 from chemistry, 10 from biology, like 10 each from every science section. Even the biology section was at a mediocre level, and students who are who have a brief understanding regarding the biology topics, they will be very easy to answer all of these questions. So now let us go on with the important subject, and the next subject is regarding Indian polity. For the first time in the history of CDS, the questions from Indian polity is extremely high. It is for the first time. Until now, the number of questions of Indian history and history related questions were high in the previous question papers, but this is for the first time questions from polity were given much more importance. So this clearly indicates about how the paper is changing its pattern and how aspirants have to not shortlist their views upon any particular subject. They have to give proper amount of time and analysis. So for the upcoming CDS 2 2021 exam, I hope that you people will prepare the Indian polity section also in a very good way. Okay, so there were 22 questions asked in the CDS 1 2021 question paper. So 22 questions were extremely easy, and these questions require a short amount of your understanding, and most of the aspirants have given wrong answers for very easy questions because the questions were very tricky. So this clearly indicates that you need to have revisit the question, you need to reread the question twice and thrice to correctly understand about what the question is asking, because once you give a wrong answer, you cannot again rechange it to a correct answer. That is the reason why I always tell aspirants who are preparing for the CDS exam to always, whenever a question from Indian polity comes, please try to read the question twice or thrice so that you will understand. If you missed any point, you will immediately catch it. Okay, so these 22 questions were at a mediocre level. Now the next subject is regarding Indian history, and there was no question asked from world history. Everything was regarding Indian history only, and there were 20 questions asked from the Indian history part, and these questions were also at a mediocre level. There were few questions that were completely unexpected questions, but still the questions are also kind of a knowledgeable one. So aspirants who are also a staunch preparations who have made regarding history part, they have answered this section very clearly, and I hope that you people will answer the history questions in the upcoming exams also. Going through the next subject is regarding the geography. From geography part, which covered mostly around the physical geography and the Indian geography, did not cover much from the world geography. Only Indian geography and physical geography was focused, and there were 18 questions regarding from the geography section, and these were all kind of easy questions, and few questions were very easy, like the questions related towards rivers, dendrite formation and all. So these things were all very easy regarding the geography section, and most of the aspirants were very happy compared to the previous exams. This geography part was kind of attemptable one, and most of the aspirants have attempted the questions from this part. The next important subject that we need to go through is the economics, and economics is also given more priority in this particular question paper. We need to understand that 11 questions have come from economics part, which clearly indicate that aspirants who are actually coming from the economics related background, their number has been increasing, and keeping that thing into consideration, CDS pattern is also going to change, and that is the reason why in the upcoming years you might expect more number of questions from economics part. So this clearly indicates that every aspirant has to give ample amount of time towards economics if in case you are preparing for CDS paper. Okay, so as much amount of importance, like you need to give the equal importance, the importance that you give towards physics, chemistry, biology, the same amount of importance you need to also give towards economics also. Okay, so make sure that you're understanding that the most important topics that were asked regarding economics were very simple ones. They were asked regarding the collaterals, the bonds, they were asked regarding the types of unemployment, the types of recession rate, and they were all generic terms which every aspirant should know. Okay, so economics was not very tough enough. So personally, if I would like to say, those aspirants who are actually have a very good idea about economics, they will say that the economics part was easy. But for those aspirants who clearly mentioned that the economics part they never touched, that for them the economics would be kind of a mediocre range. Okay, so going through the next important subject is regarding the current affairs and strategic. As always, the number of questions has been not changed, it maintained its own constancy. So there were only 14 questions from the current affairs and strategic section, and these covered around various types of yojanas, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, and all of these things were also taken into consideration in different kinds of options and all. And there were also different schemes, there were also questions asked from different areas of the sections of the society and upliftment of the societies and all. So these things were also taken into consideration. The most important thing that you need to remember is the question paper regarding the current affairs section. This mostly focused upon the schemes that are actually now being launched by the national important bodies and also different kinds of the important governmental bodies and all were also discussed regarding these. So it is very clear and very important that you need to always have a check at the current affairs and you need to always follow up. So if in case you want to make sure that your preparation is going very well and good, I would like to mention that always make sure that you follow the current affairs section and also the defense update section that are being provided on time to time basis from SSB Crack exams, which will be very helpful for your examination preparation. And the last and final subject is regarding the defense specific one. The number of questions from defense specific has been increased when compared to the previous years. 5 questions have come from the defense specific part, which clearly indicate about the importance from the defense specific issues. So you need to always maintain a proper understanding. Please make sure that you do not miss any defense update session which is being provided by SSB Crack exams, because most of the questions, like all these 5 questions, were already covered from our defense update sections. Okay, so those candidates who are watching the defense updates on day-to-day basis every time from our channel, I assure you that, and I also give a promise that all of those candidates, they have answered these 5 questions correctly. That is what I am expecting, because we have worked a lot and we have always come a long way, and I also hope that you people are preparing very well and good, and that is what we always need. Okay, and going through with the complete percentage overall topic wise GK analysis, then I would like to say that we always will discuss regarding this. So from the physics part, it was 8.33, chemistry 8.33, biology 8.33%, then from the history it is 18.327, and polity it is 18.358. This is not only percentage, is also the marks that are allocated towards that subject regarding this paper. So from economics it is 9.163, geography it is 14.994, defense specific it is 4.165, and the current affairs and strategy it is 11.662. This is how the 100 marks are divided in each of these subjects, and that is how the importance is given. So it is very strategically made, a beautifully outlined paper, and most of the defense aspirants were actually happy regarding this examination. The exam is not very easy and it was also not very tough. It is in between easy and tough, and aspirants who are actually preparing very properly, I wish that their preparation is going very well and good, and they all get recommended for the SSB interviews very soon. That is all and the only thing that we at SSB Crack exams we always dream of. You getting recommended is what we always want. Okay, so I always make sure that your preparation is going very well and good. If in case you people have if you are not happy with this exam, or if in case you want to score more in the upcoming CDS 2 2021 examination and the upcoming exams and all, or if in case you are preparing for the other exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, INET, Territorial Army, or any other exams, then you can always make sure, I highly recommend that you please download the SSB Crack Exams learning app from Google Play Store. You can even go through our website learn.ssbcrackexams.com, wherein which you can go through the complete content, and thereafter you can subscribe yourself to your favorite course, wherein which we people are providing the complete detailed course lecture content, study material, sample practice questions, quizzes, exercises, and mock tests that are all made taking into consideration the latest exam patterns. So I hope that whatever we are providing will be very helpful for you, because you being successful is only thing that we always dream of. Okay, so always stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, always be confident, always keep smiling. Jai Hind.